The RexingUSA M2 dual mirror dashcam offers full high-definition dual-channel recording, capturing video from both the front and rear perspectives to provide comprehensive coverage. Equipped with advanced driver assistance systems and blind spot detection, this dashcam enhances safety by alerting drivers to potential hazards and providing lane change assistance. Featuring a 12-inch IPS touchscreen, the dashcam allows for easy operation and real-time streaming of footage, ensuring there are no blind spots while driving or reversing. With its G-sensor and loop recording capabilities, the RexingUSA M2 ensures important footage is never lost by automatically locking videos in case of impact and overwriting old recordings. The included parking monitor feature activates the camera upon detecting vibrations, recording crucial footage even when the vehicle is parked to enhance security. Installation is straightforward, with the ability to mount directly onto the rearview mirror, and the product is backed by reliable customer support and an 18-month warranty.